how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe, children. Children, what we do in the morning, children? What happens in the morning? I asked what we do, but what happens in the morning? When does morning come? When the sun rises, it is morning. The day starts. We all know that. What we do in the morning? We all get up, brush our teeth, we do our work, we go to school. Father goes to office, mommy goes to office, or else she will do her work. What the birds and other animals do? Birds also, they start their lives, they start their day-to-day work in the morning, isn't it? These all happens when the sun rises in the morning. Okay, what happens when the sun sets? It becomes evening and gradually the night comes, isn't it? It becomes dark. We all know that is night. Okay, children. When the sun sets, what happens? We go back to school, home from school. My daddy comes from office, mommy comes back. The birds too, they return to their nests. Animals, they go to their sheds or they go to their place, wherever they live. Isn't it? That's the day-to-day routine of a day. We start our work in the morning, we end our work in the evening and take rest during the night. What does the sun do during the night? It also gets the rest. Let us see in this story. See, take this storybook, story number 15, Day and Night. Take this, children. Okay, now shall we go to the book? Day and night. See, this is daytime, this is night time. During day, the sun is shining. During night, the moon is shining. Okay. Day and night. This is the 15th story. Can you see 15th story? See, children, what is this atmosphere? Where is this place? Can we guess this? Is this a village or a city? This is a village. Can you see here? There are some huts. There is a tree, cat, children are running. See, there is a sand road only. Can you see this? Can this be found in cities? It's very rare. So, this is a village. Okay, let us see what's happening here. The sun sets. 4 children run towards a huge neem tree. How many children are running here, children? See, 4 children. Here there is an old man. He is sitting under a tree. A cat is beside him. A dog is standing here. Here is a hut. 4 children are coming from various houses to this old man. Are they happy or sad? They are very happily coming towards this man. He is also happily welcoming the children. Can you see these children? Okay. It is story time. What story will Popo tell them today? See, this man's name is Popo. He used to tell stories to the children every day. Let us see what story he is going to tell them today. Popo starts his story. Long, long ago in the big jungle. See, this is a jungle. This picture is in the story of Popo. He is explaining about a jungle. Okay, children. Long, long ago in the big jungle. What is it here? There is a rabbit here and there is an owl. Okay. There lived many animals. There was no sun for many days. See, children, what is he saying? The forest is very dense. That is, has lot of trees. So there was no sun for, they weren't able to see sun for many days. Again, I'll read, children. Popo starts his story. Long, long ago, in the big jungle, there lived many animals. There was no sun for many days. See, it's dark here. The rabbit is here. It was very dark and rabbit could not see. This rabbit wasn't able to see. It was very dark. He fell into a deep hole. Alas, what happened, children? This rabbit has fallen into a hole. See, the rabbit is crying inside the hole. How to come out? He is wondering. I need light. Rabbit shouted. What is the rabbit shouting? I need light. Rabbit shouted. No, too bright, shouted owl on the tree. There was an owl on the tree. It was shouting, no, it is too bright. I don't want light. But rabbit is asking for light. Owl is saying, I don't want light. See here, rabbit and owl started to fight. More light, shouted rabbit. No, 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 shouted owl. See, rabbit and owl, they were fighting. Rabbit wants light and owl doesn't want light. Let us see what happened. See, many animals came and sat in a big circle. Fox said he likes to hunt in the dark. See here, children, there are many animals here. Rabbit wants light. There is a fox here. It doesn't want light. It wants to hunt in the dark. Owl doesn't want light. It also wants darkness. Goat said she needs light to look for grass. See, goat, what it eats, we all know goat eats grass. It wanted light to search for grass and eat. See, can you see in this picture who are saying yes, no? Let us see. See, rabbit is shouting light, light, light. Fox saying no. This snake is saying no, yes, both. This frog is saying Goat is saying light. This one, owl. It doesn't want light. See, it's saying no, no, no. Light, 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 said rabbit. No, 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 said owl. Now, do not fight, said bear. What is it, children? This is a bear. What is it saying? So, don't fight. The sun is taking some rest. What is the sun doing, children? It is taking some rest. We will ask the sun to come back soon. Then we will all have light in the day. What is the bear saying? It is saying that the sun is taking some rest. We will ask the sun to come soon. Then we all will have light. Rabbit was happy to hear this. See, rabbit was very happy. This goat was also very happy to hear that the sun is coming back soon. It will be dark when the sun goes to rest. The owl was happy to hear there will be night. See, children, there are many animals in this world. Some needs light, some doesn't need light. Okay, now who is happy here? Owl is happy because when the sun takes rest, it will become dark. The night comes. So the owl is happy. All the children are happy to hear this story. See, all the children are happy to hear this story. Okay, children, what is in this story? That we all need both day and night. We all need day and night. We need sunlight and also cool moonlight. So all happens in this world. It is nature. It is nature that day and night comes in our lives. It is a universal proposal. It is nature that day and night comes. We need to accept and act accordingly, children. Okay, the one thing I wanted to share is, please don't waste food, children. That's my humble request. There are many people suffering in this world, not even to get even a biscuit. They are suffering even to get a biscuit. Just think, we are throwing a lot of food outside. We are wasting food. Please don't waste food, children. At least help one dog or feed one crow. That will make you happy. That will make them also happy. You can get the help of your parents to feed at least one or two in 1 week. You can feed at least one or two elders. You will be going outside. No, there are many people who are not having food for even one part of a day. In the morning or evening or afternoon, all the 3 times, people are suffering the whole day hungrily. There are many people, children. If you can, with the help of your parents, you can feed at least one day, at least one person. Please keep in mind, children, so don't waste food. Be happy and safe, children.